To set up hotkeys on Webull, first log into your Webull account on your desktop or mobile device. Hotkeys are customizable shortcuts that allow you to quickly execute trades or access specific features within the platform. Once you are logged in, navigate to the Settings or Preferences section, usually found at the top right corner of the screen. Click on this icon to open a drop-down menu and select the Hotkey Settings option. In the Hotkey Settings section, you will see a list of available hotkeys and their corresponding functions. Webull allows you to customize these hotkeys to suit your trading needs. To assign a new hotkey, click on the Add or Edit button next to the function you want to customize. A pop-up window will appear, prompting you to enter the new hotkey combination. Choose a combination of keys that is easy to remember and not already in use by your operating system or other applications. For example, you can assign the F1 key to open the order panel or the F2 key to switch between different charts. After assigning the new hotkey, click the Save or Confirm button to apply the changes. The new hotkey will now be active, and you can use it to quickly access the assigned function. Repeat this process to customize other hotkeys and create a personalized trading experience. It is essential to choose hotkey combinations that are intuitive and easy to use, especially during high-pressure trading situations. Avoid using complex combinations that may cause errors or delays. Webull also provides a list of default hotkeys that you can use as a starting point for customization. By setting up hotkeys on Webull, you can streamline your trading workflow, reduce errors, and increase productivity. Take some time to experiment with different hotkey combinations and find the setup that works best for you. With practice, you will become more efficient and effective in your trading activities.